What is up, y'all? It's favorite producer Ron. Got the recipe, and today gonna be showing you guys how to bring more emphasis and life to your beats. Not about it sounding realistic, but if it's missing that that feeling, that it's not slapping, this is the video you need to watch. Stick around. Let's get into it. So I made a new beat for y'all. We're gonna play it, then we're gonna delete it and rebuild it. All right, so you can see step by step exactly how I do everything from start to finish. We're also gonna have 4 coaching focuses. So one will be accents and velocity, really putting the emphasis on those beats. 2 will be improvisation. How do we even find the right keys to go with our main melody? 3 would be sound selection, complementing melodies and leveling properly. And number 4 would be arrangement. How do we arrange our beats to tell a story? Let's get it. All right, here's a beat from the top. Let's go ahead and delete this entire beat. And we're gonna start from the top. The first thing I went with was piano. So I started the beat off with A minor 9, which is just, but the way I played it was, and what is that? It's really just putting emphasis on the last 2 notes. So we're not going super hard, we're not going super soft, we're right in the middle, right? And the G is playing almost a slight beat ahead before this B. So you're getting, and it's really just the accents and velocity. Let's record it so you can see what I mean. The next chords we're gonna do is gonna be G minor 9. We're gonna talk about how to improvise next. Just remember that G, B flat, D, F, A, and C make that G minor 11. But for now, we're gonna play with G minor 9. Let's get it. All right, here we go. So there's our piano loop. I'm gonna put down the bass line. All right, so the bass line is just A to E. And then G to D. All right, here we go. Right, so now we're gonna talk about improvisation, and I'm gonna show you what the top melody is. We're gonna record it, and I'm gonna show you how I came up with this melody. So all I'm doing here is playing those same exact keys. But I'm going to split them up on my right hand. I can play B, I can play G, F, E, C, A. And that's what I did. There's the G, there's the F, there's the E, right? Now a different chord and similar keys. So I can play G, B flat, D, F, A, and C. The only key I added was the E. So if you ever want to figure out how to do improv, look at the chords you're playing and use those same keys that make that chord to improvise. All right, so we're gonna put some drums down, but let's take it back to step one, accents and velocity, all right? We wanna emphasize the dynamics. We want them to be intentional, all right? We wanna bring life to the beat. Here we go. So accents and velocity, there has to be an emphasis on the accents. We want something to be driving. For me, it's kind of the kick and the hi-hat. Sometimes the hi-hat's louder, sometimes the kick is louder. So I want y'all to envision like pushing your drum forward, like. I'm pushing my body because I want that hi-hat to drive. I want that kick to drive. I'm gonna replay this groove, and then we're gonna look at what the accents and the velocity looks like in the piano roll. Let's get it. So if we look at the accents, if I look at just the hi-hats right here, the hi-hats are not in one place. They're not all here, right? That would not sound realistic. That would not sound like it has emotion. That would not sound like it has life. Being all over the place is good. You want that. You want that for emotion. Every beat is not supposed to be the same velocity, right? So that's why it's important to really push. Same thing with the snare. Snare's not in the same spot every time, and same thing with the kick. Now, there are some things I probably would turn down, like my crash. I'm gonna add some strings in, same chords, A minor 9 to G minor 9. Here we go. Let's record those. All right, boom. We got one more down here. I'm just gonna copy this down here, and then I'm going to open this up in a piano roll and just take this down. Yeah, I'm gonna take this down an octave, hold shift and down. Now we got the ones up top. Now, last step, arrangement. All right, so to start this beat off, I would not bring in the strings. I would not bring in the drums or the bass. It'll probably just be this. All right, so as y'all can see, with the arranging, it's not really that hard. It's just adding some stuff and taking things out. All right, that's all I got. I hope you guys learned something. If you like content like this, hit me with a like, leave a comment, and if you really like it, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend about it. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, don't forget to leave a comment, a like, share this video with a friend, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Peace.